In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about installing and setting up your HP PageWide Enterprise Color Printer 765DN series. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser. Doesn't really matter which one, but you want to search for HP PageWide Enterprise Color 765DN support. And best result should come back with an HP support page that says HP PageWide Enterprise Color 765DN. Go ahead and open that up. And underneath the support categories, select software and drivers. And then scrolling down, there should be an HP PageWide Enterprise Color 765 printer full feature software and drivers. Go ahead and download that. And then once it's downloaded to your system, go ahead and open up the file or the folder to begin extracting the contents here. And if you receive a user account control prompt, it should be assigned publisher by HP Inc. Go ahead and select yes. And then proceed with the wizard here of getting your printer configured to your device settings if you want to have a wired or wireless connection, for example, and then just follow along with the on-screen directions. It's a pretty intuitive process here. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.